This is a DDAmanda video on Bit Brother Limited. BETS. Don't you just love that? Bets. NASDAQ. Now I played this and I was trying to find a bottom here because, you know, um, everything after this little run up here, right here, she just dropped and dropped and dropped. Till finally she reached 0.0052, and this seemed to be the bottom, and some of our guys got in here in this area. I mean, this was an alert, a scan alert all the way through here. Actually had an intraday 200-day low here of 0038, another one here 0041. But look at this. This also came up on a 3-day channel alert because she closed at 52, 52, 52. 3 days in a row. And then today, she went bananas. Looking at the intraday, she started off, she opened at, right around 52, 53, and then just started going bananas. And then even after hours, she's going for it. Look at this chart. This is a tight channel here. And the thing about channels is a stock will tend to break out of a channel. And when it does so, it'll be violent. So this is today on a 15-minute. Then after hours, she dropped a little bit. But now look at her here. She's got a high of 149. And where is she now? Who knows? Let me see if I can find level 2 here. Yeah, here's level 2. 133, 135 area. So, but the interesting thing is that she is coming off of like a 7-cent high here. And on the 200-day high, she's at 62 cents. Look at this. And she hasn't had any, she did add 202 million according to the notes here. You can't see those, but on 10/26 she added 200 million shares to the OS. But anyway, right now I think she's around 200 something because she only had 8 before. So anyway, we'll see what happens tomorrow. But the important thing is that we've been aware of her for a while because of DDAmanda and these 200-day low scan alerts. So let's hope for, if you're in, let's hope she goes, I mean, she's got a lot of room to go. Look at this, 3 cents, 9 cents here, 46 cents. I don't know what happened here, whether this was a forward split or some kind of a share issuance, because she went from 46 cents to 10 cents. Look at this, man. Down, 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 down. Same thing here. Down, 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 down. Until, she reached this 52 here. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. And we've still got our Christmas special going for DDAmanda. Just go to DDAmanda.com. Maybe I'll put the link in the description. Because this is how we're finding all these, okay? This is how we find all these winners. This is how we found SONX too. That one should do good. They're the ones that want to go back on NASDAQ. Okay, that's it. Have a good evening, and let's hope tomorrow we get some Christmas miracles or something.